This is the box of the OPPO A93. Let's unbox and see what's inside. Firstly, you see the OPPO A93. Let's just put aside. Some documents, TPU case, followed by SIM ejector tools, 18W fast chargers, a earphone, and a USB Type-C cables. Under the hood is the MediaTek Helio P95 coupled with an 8GB of RAM and speedy 128 UFS 2.1 storage. The overall experience should be very promising. The bright beautiful display is a 6.43-inch Super AMOLED featuring pill shapes, punch hole, and an in-display fingerprint scanners. The dual front camera is a 16MP camera with a depth sensor. On the rear, it has a beautiful glass light finishings and it comes in two color options. The one that I have right now is the matte blacks and also metallic white. There's a quad camera setups here, a 48MP main cameras, an 8MP ultra wide, a 2MP depth sensors, and a 2MP monochrome cameras. Keeping the light on is a 4015 mAh batteries and it supports 18W fast charging. A more comprehensive written review will be available very soon over at theidea.mobile.com. I'll put the link in the description box below once it goes live. The OPPO A93 is available now for RM1299. We do a lot of unboxings and product reviews on these channels. Do consider subscribe to these channels, hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching. My name is Joshua Wong. See you guys again soon.